How to change Facebook location settings. Hi everyone, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to change Facebook location settings. So in order to change your Facebook location settings, all you have to do is launch to your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page, go ahead and tap the bar icon from the top right hand side corner of your screen. While you're on this page, you'll need to go ahead and tap the gear icon or the settings page, and on this page you need to go ahead and scroll down a bit and go to tools and resources section. Under it, click on privacy checkup. So while you're on the settings and privacy page, here go to privacy and safety. After that, it's going to take you to the page where you'll be able to find the location. So once you click the location button, it's going to take you to the settings page, and right on that page you can go ahead and make changes with your location accordingly. So in this way you can make changes with the Facebook location settings. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.